Alright, today we're going to learn Make It Sweet by Old Dominion. This is a really awesome beginner guitar song because it's got basic open beginner chords as well as a little bit of a lead line that I will break down note for note. Before we get started, my name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Please hit like and subscribe. We really appreciate the support. Let's get into this. Alright, let's talk about the chords we need for this song. We've got a G, a C add 9, which if you've never done, you just take your G chord and drop your middle and index one string towards the floor. That puts your middle finger on the 3rd fret 5th string, your first finger on the 2nd fret 4th string, your third finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string, and your pinky on the 3rd fret 1st string, and you strum from the 5th down. We've also got a D, an E minor, an A minor, a G/B, which if you've never done, you play a G chord, but you don't strum the 6th string, so you can get rid of the middle finger there and strum from the 5th string down for that G chord. Okay, so let's talk about the song form and the strumming pattern. The intro is G to C, G to C, so it's G, C. All right, so what you're gonna do there is you're gonna go down, down, up. That's going to be the pattern that I'm going to say you guys should do through the whole song if you want to keep it really beginner. So we've got G, C. Alright, so you're going to go down, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, down, up, miss, up, down, up, C, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, up, miss, up, down, up. So the verse is just that. Down, down. Does all that again. G to C and again. And then the chorus starts the same way. You're gonna go G down up, miss up, down up, down, down up, miss up, down up, C add 9. Where it changes. So then it changes and it goes E minor, same pattern, to C add 9. It does it again. Back to the intro. Okay, so then you've got another verse, G to C, 2 times through on each. All right, that makes going through that pattern basically 4 times. All right, then you've got another chorus, and then you've got a bridge. So the bridge is a walk down that we're going to use that G/B for. So we're going to go C add 9, G/B. I'm just going to say do 1 strum on each of these. A minor, G, D. All right, and that D, when you get to the D, you'll go to that miss up, down, up, down, down, up, miss up, down, up pattern. All right, and then you go back and you do it again. C add 9, G/B, A minor, G, D, down, up, miss up, down, up, down, down, up, miss up, down, up, and another D, down, down, up, miss. This builds into the guitar solo, miss up, down, up. And then back into a guitar solo, which is just the intro chords. G to C add 9. Just over and over again. Well, not over and over again. It's actually just 2 times through. All right, so let's talk about that lead line that happens during the intro, after the first chorus, and then on the outro as well. I'll play it first, and then I'll break it down note for note. We're going to play it mostly on the first string. So you're going to go 3, 4. All right, so all we're gonna do it with 1 finger since we're gonna call this a beginner lead line. We're gonna put our index on the 3rd fret, 1st string, pluck it once, And then we're going to pluck it again and slide to the 5th fret. So that's, and then we let that ring, and then we slide again, pluck it and slide to the 7th fret, and then we hit the open 1st string. So let's play that again. 3rd fret strum, strum slide to the 7th, open. All right, let's do it again. 3rd fret, strum slide, open. So that's 3, 5, 8, open, but just with those rhythms as well as the slides. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, and then into the chords. Alright, that's everything you guys need to know to play Make It Sweet by Old Dominion. I hope this lesson helped. If it did, please hit like and subscribe. Let us know how we're doing in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time.